I had eaten breakfast. I had eaten breakfast. I had finished my homework. I had finished my homework. I had read a book. I had read a book. I had written a letter. I had written a letter. I had watched a movie. I had watched a movie. I had played football. I had played football. I had cleaned my room. I had cleaned my room. I had washed my hands. I had washed my hands. I had opened the door. I had opened the door. I had closed the window. I had closed the window. I had visited the park. I had visited the park. I had traveled to Kabul. I had traveled to Kabul. I had learned English words. I had learned English words. I had studied my lesson. I had studied my lesson. I had listened to music. I had listened to music. I had sung a song. I had sung a song. I had cooked dinner. I had cooked dinner. I had drunk milk. I had drunk milk. I had eaten rice. I had eaten rice. I had met my friend. I had met my friend. You had played cricket. You had played cricket. You had read the newspaper. You had read the newspaper. You had written notes. You had written notes. You had studied hard. You had studied hard. You had cleaned the house. You had cleaned the house. You had called your brother. You had called your brother. You had visited your uncle. You had visited your uncle. You had learned a new word. You had learned a new word. You had bought new clothes. You had bought new clothes. You had traveled by bus. You had traveled by bus. You had eaten fruit. You had eaten fruit. You had drunk water. You had drunk water. You had opened the book. You had opened the book. You had seen that film. You had seen that film. You had played games. You had played games. You had drawn a picture. You had drawn a picture. You had painted the wall. You had painted the wall. You had fixed your phone. You had fixed your phone. You had visited the market. You had visited the market. You had watched cartoons. You had watched cartoons. He had finished his homework. He had finished his homework. He had eaten his lunch. He had eaten his lunch. He had read this story. He had read this story. He had written a story. He had written a story. He had gone to school. He had gone to school. He had studied his lesson. He had studied his lesson. He had sung a song. He had sung a song. He had drawn a picture. He had drawn a picture. He had cleaned the board. He had cleaned the board. He had washed his clothes. He had washed his clothes. He had played football. He had played football. He had opened the shop. He had opened the shop. He had closed the shop. He had closed the shop. He had listened to music. He had listened to music. He had drunk tea. He had drunk tea. He had bought a book. He had bought a book. He had traveled to India. He had traveled to India. He had visited the zoo. He had visited the zoo. He had fixed the car. He had fixed the car. He had painted the door. He had painted the door. She had cooked food. She had cooked food. She had eaten an apple. She had eaten an apple. She had drunk coffee. She had drunk coffee. She had read a novel. She had read a novel. She had written a poem. She had written a poem. She had sung a song. She had sung a song. She had played the piano. She had played the piano. She had drawn flowers. She had drawn flowers. She had cleaned the kitchen. She had cleaned the kitchen. She had washed her hair. She had washed her hair. She had opened the window. She had opened the window. She had closed the door. She had closed the door. She had bought new shoes. She had bought new shoes. She had painted the wall. She had painted the wall. She had studied English. She had studied English. She had learned the lesson. She had learned the lesson. She had traveled by car. She had traveled by car. She had visited her aunt. She had visited her aunt. She had cooked dinner. She had cooked dinner. She had watched TV. She had watched TV. We had finished our work. We had finished our work. We had eaten lunch. We had eaten lunch. We had studied English. We had studied English. We had written letters. We had written letters. We had sung songs. We had sung songs. We had drawn pictures. We had drawn pictures. We had washed our hands. We had washed our hands. We had cleaned the class. We had cleaned the class. We had traveled by train. We had traveled by train. We had visited the park. We had visited the park. They had played football. They had played football. They had eaten mangoes. They had eaten mangoes. They had studied math. They had studied math. They had written stories. They had written stories. They had sung together. They had sung together. They had drawn birds. They had drawn birds. They had painted houses. They had painted houses. They had visited the mosque. They had visited the mosque. They had traveled by plane. They had traveled by plane. They had cleaned their room. They had cleaned their room.